Hi, I'm Chad from Conair, and today I wanted to talk to you about the Conair Moisture Minder. This is actually a brand new version. This is called the Med, and this is a 1-inch moisture minder. You can see I'm actually at a trade show today, so we're loading it with the Medline Conair tube loader, and it's passing through, flooding the moisture minder as it enters the extruder. Now, this is early in the morning. We've just turned the dryer on. I want to show you some things on the control. So here on the control, you can see our material is wet. We're running polycarbonate, and right here on the display, we're at 528 parts per million for moisture level. We're going to see as the material that's dried passes through and into the throat of the extruder, that number is going to go down. And you'll also see as the day goes on, hopefully our temperature warms up. We're currently only at 59.7 degrees. On this right-hand side, you can see I can set my alarm bands. So I've got my alarm set. If the temperature of the material is over 200 or under 60, which you can see that's why we have an alarm, is because we're at 59.7, and if our moisture content is above 1,000 or less than 5. So those are all pieces of information you can see right here on the display. If I go back to the home screen, this is the screen that's most often on while you're operating. Just a quick glance, you can see your moisture content and the temperature of the material. Now, as the dryer dries the material, I'm going to give you an update. I also wanted to show you that the Moisture Minder does have VNC capabilities. So you can see actually this morning I was on the VNC with Conair just to make sure my settings were right for the show. And what's nice is I could share my screen, and then AJ, our drying product manager, was able to easily take control. He could click through the control, and exactly what he's clicking is happening on the control live. In case you're wondering about connecting the moisture minder or how complicated it is to install this in your system, it is super easy. You can see we just bolted this on to the throat of the machine. There's a gasket, rubber gasket, that goes in between at the top and the bottom. We have our feeding receiver on top of the moisture minder. The key thing is you want to keep this flood fed, so there always needs to be material flowing through this. That's why we have it right on the throat of the machine. As the receiver loads, it's going to keep material constantly going through the moisture minder. That moisture minder is connected with just one communications cable that connects to our control. So you can see the communications cable here. This is an Ethernet connection. This is how I'm VNC connecting to my computer. On the front here you have a USB plug, so if you needed to load software or save out information, that's where your USB is. And in the back, 110 volt plug, standard plug. So you're really just making a couple connections, connecting the 110 volt power, connecting this comms line between the control and the moisture minder, and bolting the moisture minder in place. It's super simple installation. So at our current running rate, our receiver is loading fresh material every few minutes. And what's happening is that material, as you can see, is slowly draining down through the moisture minder into the throat of the extruder. Now let's take a look at the control and see what we're seeing for temperature and moisture readings. So we are running the drying monitor on our dryer, and I'm looking at that dryer control now. Here you can see at the T6 position of the hopper, we're at 111.7, and at the T1, we are at 176 degrees. You can see our delivery temperature is at 185.2 with a set point of 185. Our dew point is at -76 with a set point of -40. Here on the moisture minder, you can see our results at the throat. Now remember, this is reading from the moisture minder right at the throat of the extruder, and we are seeing in the 380s parts per million of moisture in that material entering the throat, and the material's temperature is 79.2. Now we have this set at the recipe for the show, and those are within our acceptable limits. So with Conair's new moisture minder, you can see exactly how easy it is to see the moisture content in your material. There's no more guessing, no more calculations, actual moisture content of material entering the machine. You can also see that material temperature. Again, I'm Chad from Conair. Hopefully you enjoyed this video of the Moisture Minder demonstration while I'm here at a trade show. Thanks for watching.